This fabric feels incredibly soft, but it starts as wood. Tencel fabric is made from sustainably grown trees, mostly eucalyptus, harvested from controlled forests.
Then transported to massive processing facilities.
This is where the transformation begins.
The wood is first cut into smaller pieces.
Powerful machines turn the wood into chips. These chips become the raw material for fiber production. Thousands of kilograms are processed every day.
Factory operators carefully control every stage.
The chips are mixed with eco-friendly solvents. This breaks the wood down into cellulose pulp.
The natural cellulose is separated from the wood.
The pulp is refined into a smooth solution.
This liquid will eventually become soft fabric. Quality checks happen throughout the process.
The solution is forced through tiny holes. Creating long, ultra-thin fibers.
These fibers are stretched for extra strength.
They are then cooled and stabilized. Thousands of strands are formed together.
This gives Tencel its smooth texture.
Next, the fibers are spun into yarn.
Automated machines work with incredible precision.
One factory can produce tons of yarn daily.
The yarn is soft, durable, and breathable.
Now the yarn becomes fabric.
Weaving machines interlock thousands of threads.
The cloth begins to take shape.
Modern factories run almost non-stop.
After weaving, the fabric is dyed. This gives Tencel its final appearance. The material is dried and softened. Finishing machines improve texture and quality.
Every roll is checked for imperfections. Length, color, and strength are tested carefully. Then prepared for clothing manufacturers worldwide. From trees to textile, this is how Tencel fabric is actually made.